Hello everyone, a warm welcome to Maths class of grade 4, chapter 5 length, and in this session we will cover the topics, the units of length and the conversions of units, and under which we will cover the topics, the conversion of bigger units into smaller units and smaller units into bigger units. So let's know what is length. Length is the term used for identifying the size of an object or distance from one point to another. So, the length of an object is its extended dimension, that is, its longest side. For example, the length of the pencil in the picture is 16 centimeter. Children, let's meet Dharya today. One day he was assigned to find the length of various objects in his room at home. His father told him about some units for measuring the length like centimeter, meter, kilometer and millimeter. But he was not measuring the length of different objects in proper unit. So let's help him.
Long back, do
So
you know how
children,
people
let's
used
help
to measure the
Dharya to know
length of
the units
objects?
of measurement of length
They
by watching
used
this
their
video.
palm, forearm, or feet to measure the length of the objects. But these methods never gave accurate results. Nowadays, we make use of ruler, metric scale, and measuring tape to measure the accurate length and height of the objects. Let us learn the correct method of using a scale. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to measure the length of objects using a ruler, measure length in meters and centimeter, understand the relation between meter and centimeter. I need 4 centimeter long paper. What will I use to measure the length? Yes, you are correct. A ruler will help me to measure length. You find many divisions on the margin of the ruler. Some lines are longer while others are smaller. The longer lines represent the number in centimeters. The small lines between two long lines represent divisions of centimeter. Now we will learn to read a scale. Example. This is 2 centimeters. This is half centimeter. Similarly, this is 4.5 centimeter. Ruku wants to measure the length of different objects. Will you help him? Click on each object to measure its length. A ruler comes in different lengths. The first ruler seen can measure length up to 15 centimeters. The second ruler seen can measure length up to 30 centimeters. But a ruler cannot measure all objects. Ruler is used to measure only short length objects such as pencil, stick, notebook, duster, comb, etc. A measuring tape is used to measure long things. Your mother is in market to buy shirt cloth. Can the shopkeeper measure a shirt piece with a ruler? Yes, he can measure, but the work would be tedious and time-consuming. He measures it with the help of metric tape. It will take less time and less effort. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. We can measure the height of the almirah by using measuring tape. The height of the almirah is 200 centimeters. Therefore, we can say that the height of the almirah is 2 meters. Similarly, the length of walking stick is 100 centimeters, or we can say 1 meter. Let us compare the length of the various things. Some of the objects have their length in meters, while some of them are so small that they are measured in centimeters only. The length of a bread loaf is expressed in centimeters. The length of a matchbox is expressed in centimeters. The length of a skipping rope is expressed in meters. The length of a bus is expressed in meters.
So length is measured in the units millimeter, that is mm, centimeter cm, meter m, and kilometer km. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. The standard unit of length is meter in metric system. The smaller unit of length is millimeter. One centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. The length of small things can be measured in centimeter unit. The length of this pencil is here 16 centimeter. Meter. A meter is divided into 100 equal parts called centimeter. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. The length of this cupboard can be measured in meter unit. We measure very big things like length of roads in kilometers. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. The length of this railway track is also measured in kilometer unit. Hope you understood, children. Now, based on whatever we have revised just now, let's solve the review worksheet from your maths book. You have to solve it in your notepad. So let's read the question. 1. Name any 5 things sold by a shopkeeper by measuring length. So, cloth, strings, rope, sugarcane, plot or land. Find the length of any 3 objects in your classroom. Children have to measure the length of any 3 objects in home, as you are not coming to school nowadays. So in home you have to measure any 3 objects, the length of any 3 objects, and write them with their units. Now question 3. Which unit will you choose to express the following? Height of a telephone pole. Can you guess the answer? Yes, it's meter. Distance between Delhi and Agra. Any guesses? Yes, correct. It's kilometer. Distance between Earth and Moon. Again kilometer. Length of your shorts or skirt. Centimeter, correct. Height of your study table. Meter. Length of road. That is kilometer. Now children, let's know about conversions of unit. In this topic we have to, first of all, we have to know about the conversion of the bigger units into smaller units. And there is a code for you, BSM. It means B for bigger unit, S for smaller unit, M for multiplication. When we have to convert bigger units into smaller units, we have to multiply. So let's see the examples here. How to convert meters into centimeters. So we multiply the number of meters by 100 to convert meters into centimeter. So let's see an example here. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 2 meter is equal to 2 multiplied by 100 centimeter, that is 200 centimeter. Now let's see one more conversion here. How to convert the kilometers into meters. So km into m. We multiply number of meters by 1000 to convert kilometers into meters. Example here, if how much is 2 kilometer? 2 kilometer is equal to how many meters? Answer, 2 kilometer is equal to 2 multiplied by 1000 meter, that is 2000 meter. Okay, now based on these two, here is worksheet 1 in your maths book. Fill in the blanks. 4 meter is equal to how many centimeters? You have to solve all these questions A, B, C, D in your notepad. So try to solve it. B is 8 meter is equal to how many centimeters? C is 10 kilometer and D is 63 kilometer. So I am giving you some time to think and solve. So I hope you all are ready with your answers. 4 meter is equal to 400 centimeter. 8 meter is equal to 800 centimeter. 10 kilometer is equal to 10,000 meters. And 63 kilometer is equal to 63,000 meter. Hope you all are clear, children. So let's move to the next topic. Now let's continue with the conversions of bigger units into smaller units, BSM rule. So the next conversion is meters and centimeters into centimeters. So what's the rule for it? Let's see. We convert the number of meters into centimeters and add to it the number of centimeters. Okay, so let's see an example here. This example I have taken from your maths book, worksheet 1. Okay, question number 2. Convert the following into centimeter. So here question A is 3 meter 40 centimeter into centimeter. So how to solve it? 3 meter 40 centimeter. So as you know, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 3 meters is equal to 3 multiplied by 100 centimeter and plus 40 centimeter. That is equal to 300 centimeter plus 40 centimeter. So our final answer is 340 centimeter. Right? Now let's proceed to our next conversion, that is kilometers and meters into meters. So we convert the number of the kilometers into meters and add to it the number of meters. So let's say example over here. It is from question 3A. So convert the following into meters. It is 4 kilometer 315 meter into meter. So 4 kilometer 315 meter, 4 multiplied by, since 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, so 4 kilometer is equal to 4 multiplied by 1000 meter plus 315 meter, that is equal to 4000 meter plus 315 meter. So our final answer is 4315 meter. Right? You can pause the video and copy these 2 questions, and based on this you can solve the other questions given in the assignment. Now children, it's your favorite time. Here comes an icebreaker for you. Just get up from your place, sing, dance and learn the length song.
It's about the thickness of our time.
A staple from side to side is about a centimeter wide. A fingernail on a girl or guy is about a centimeter high.
10 millimeters, a centimeter, 100 centimeters is a meter, 1,000 meters, that's a kilometer, and it's the same for grams and liters.
hope you must have enjoyed the icebreaker. Now, after the icebreaker, let's continue our conversion part. This time, we'll start from smaller units into bigger units. That is SBD. Here, S for smaller, B for bigger, D for division. So, when we have to convert smaller unit into bigger unit, we need to divide. Now, let's see examples here. How to convert centimeters into meters. We divide the number of centimeters by 100 to convert centimeters into meters. And let's try to understand it with example. Example, convert 500 centimeter into meter. Since 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter, 500 centimeter is equal to 500 divided by 100 meter. So the answer will be 5 meter. Second conversion is how to convert meters into the kilometers. We divide the number of meters by 1000 to convert the meters into kilometers. Let's see the example of this question also. 63,000 meter into kilometer. Since 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer, 63,000 meter is equal to 63,000 divided by 1000 kilometer, that is equal to 63 kilometer. Now here is a chart showing the conversion of meter to centimeter and centimeter to meter. Hope you understood this conversion process. Now let's move to our next slide. Now let's continue the conversion of smaller units into bigger units. That is SBD. Third example, converting centimeters into meters and centimeters. So for this, we divide the number of centimeters by 100 to convert centimeters into meter. Let's see an example for this. This example I have taken from your worksheet 2 maths book. So question 1 is convert into meters and centimeters. B question is 3500 centimeter. Since 100 meter is equal to 1 centimeter, 3500 centimeter is equal to 3500 divided by 100 meter, that is equal to 35 meter. Second question, 3008 centimeter. Since 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter, 3008 centimeter we can break it into two parts, that is 3000 plus 8. Now this 3000 we have to divide by 100. So 3000 divided by 100 meter plus 8 centimeter. 3000 divided by 100 is equal to 30 meter and plus 8 centimeter. So final answer is 30 meter 8 centimeter. I hope I am clear. Now let's continue on the conversions of unit, smaller units into bigger units as SBD. And here we are doing the converting meters into kilometers and meters. The rule for this is we divide the number of meters by 1000 to convert meters into kilometers. Here based on this rule, here are the questions in your worksheet 2 in maths book. So let's read the questions and solve them one by one. Convert into kilometers and meters. So here I have taken two questions. Question A, 9000 meter. Since 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer, 9000 meter is equal to 9000 divided by 1000 kilometer, that is equal to 9 kilometer, right? Now question Z, 15,623 meters. Since 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer, so 15,623. Yeah, so here we have to break this number into two parts that we have learned already in our chapter 1, if you remember. Now this 15,000 meter plus 623 meter, so 15,000 meter divided by 1000 kilometer plus 623 meters, that is equal to 15 kilometer plus 623 meter. So our final answer will be 15 kilometer 623 meter. Hope you understood this concept, children. Now children, here are some mind maps I have taken to make the concept easy. Like in this, you can see the conversion of meter to centimeter. We need to multiply by 100, and to convert centimeter into meter, we need to divide by 100. Same way, the conversion of kilometer into meter, we have to multiply by 1000, and to convert meter into kilometer, we have to divide by 1000. Now here also you can see how to convert kilometer into meter, then meter to centimeter, then centimeter to millimeter, and vice versa. Now same way, this is the third mind map. So I just request you all to draw all these mind maps to understand the concept easily and repeat it. Okay. That's all from the session. Hope you understood and enjoyed a lot. Bye for now. See you soon.